Greetings to all. Today we will begin with our third contact force, that is gravitational force. When you drop an object from a height, it always comes down towards the earth. Even if you throw an object upwards, after going up to a certain height, it comes down towards the earth. Have you ever thought why this happens? It happens because the earth pulls all objects towards its center. This pull exerted by earth on objects is due to the force of gravity. Gravity is not the property of earth alone. It is a force of attraction between all objects in the universe. Gravitation force is thus the force of attraction between all objects in the universe. The larger the mass, the greater is the attraction. The earth has a larger mass as compared to the objects on it. Hence, it exerts a greater pull on the smaller objects and we can feel it. The magnitude of gravitational force also depends upon the distance between the two objects. Like magnetic field, there is a gravitational field too. If a body leaves the gravitational field, it will be no longer be pulled back by gravitational force. It is because of the gravitational force of the earth acting on us that we can walk conveniently on earth's surface, else we would have floated away. Now let's understand how weight is related to gravitational force. The weight of an object equals the magnitude of the gravitational force acting on the object. Weight and mass are fundamentally different quantities. Mass is an intrinsic property of matter, whereas weight is a force that results from the action of gravity on matter. Your mass always remains the same, but weight changes with force of gravity. Force of gravity on the moon is 1/6 than that of the earth. This means your mass will remain the same whether measured on the earth or on the moon. However, your weight will be reduced by 1/6 on the moon.